Today we are going to tackle the hatch face tool. And so this tool in FreeCAD 1.0 has actually two tools. Well, there's actually two tools, and that's actually the problem that we are going to tackle today in AutoCAD. And so there's two tools, which is confusing for the user, and it's also they're kind of buggy. So the pattern tool, the geometric pattern tool, is the one that works best. So you have first, you have first this select pattern file. So if you want to make a custom pattern file, I guess you can select another one, and then you have a list of patterns that are specified within this file. So that's fine. That's fine. Okay, so let's cancel. And then we have the second tool, which is SVG based hatch faces. And so this one here, you can select the SVG file, and so initially you don't get a preview, the object is not created yet, but I think if I rotate it, for example, then you get the object that is created, right? But yeah, first bug here, you see it's not within the view, it's outside, so that's the first thing. And also look at that, if I try to cancel, surprise, it's still there and it's buggy, so it's not clear what's happening. And then if you try to cancel, you may start to understand. It looks like, yeah, it looks like every time you change a setting while you are creating it, it's so, yeah, another bug here. So now in this is AutoCAD, so I guess many of you knows what it is, yeah, already. And for those who don't know yet, let me just say very quickly that it's like a soft fork of FreeCAD with a lot of additional features that I make, and I sell it for a small subscription, right? And the goal is to just let me keep working on FreeCAD to improve the user interface, right? So now the hatch face tool. So you see, now I have a single tool here, which is also correctly not available when you don't have a face selected, right? You need to have a face selected, which was also an inconvenience, I guess. So anyway, you click a face, right click, hatch face, that makes sense, and then so that's a bit different, right? Now you have only the pattern, basically a combo box, and you cannot see everything. Let me yeah, because my screen is actually bigger and it's being cropped by the video capture software. So let me try again. Sometime I can get it. Oh, I know how to do it. You change to the middle. Okay, and now we see them all. So basically we have in this list all the SVG files and also all the .pat geometric patterns, right? And you can change between them, and basically the settings are basically the same. There's only line width, which is not available, right, in the SVG, and the other are the same. So it's fine. So it's working as expected. And now if you cancel, it's actually canceling, right? So that's pretty simple, but yeah, one little step into making Techdraw more user-friendly. So that's about it. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye-bye.